Refer to the exhibit. What commands are needed to add a sub-interface to Ethernet 0/0 on router 1 to allow for VLAN 20 with IP address 10.20.20.1/24?
All right, so this is actually an example of router on a stick where you create sub-interfaces on the router side to allow different VLANs IP addressing, basically the gateway IP address you configure on the router side. So on the switch side, it is just a trunk port. As you can see, switch 1 Ethernet 0/0 is a trunk port. On the router side, you need to create sub-interfaces for every VLAN, and we'll have an IP address there, which will become the gateway IP address for the devices in that VLAN. So here they are asking for VLAN 20, so we need to create a sub-interface, Ethernet 0/0 dot something. And the order of operation is very important. We need to assign that sub-interface to a VLAN first, then we can configure IP address. So encapsulation.1q command has to be the first one, and then we need to configure the IP address. So if you see the first option, option A, that's exactly what they are doing, encapsulation.1q20, and then the IP address. But the problem is they are doing it on the physical interface, Ethernet 0/0. It is not done on the physical interface. It is done on the one of the sub interfaces. So option B, we can see they are going into the sub interface, Ethernet 0/0.20. Then they have the command encapsulation.1q20, means this associates with the VLAN 20, and then the IP address 10.20.21/24. So option B is the correct answer. Option C is wrong because there is no encapsulation command. Same thing for option D. So option B is right.